ইংলিশ স্পোকেন তোমরা সবাই মন দিয়ে শোনো, সবাই কিন্তু সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও, সবাই কিন্তু দয়া করে সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও। মিল্ক ইজ দ্য বেস্ট ফুড। গোপাল ওয়ান্টস টু গো হোম। দ্য লেজি বয় ওয়াজ পানিশড। ক্যালকাটা ইজ দ্য ক্যাপিটাল অফ ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল। দ্য আর্থ মুভস রাউন্ড দ্য সান। ডু ইউ নো দ্য ওয়ে? হ্যাভ ইউ টেকেন ইউর মিল? লিটিল রবি read the Ramayana. The poet met a little cottage girl. Aladdin had a wonderful lamp. Sir Ralph the robber tore his hair. The baby's doll is lost. The girl's voice is sweet. He reads in a boys' school. She reads in a girls' school. The children's clothes are new. The ladies' sarees are beautiful. Yesterday I meet you. Yesterday I meet you. Have you read the Gitanjali? I myself saw him do it. It is a pen. Here is your book. Take it. It is the opinion of the public. The horse fell and broke its leg. When I saw the children, it was crying. The baby has torn its clothes. He told a lie and he knows it. He deserved his punishment as he knew it. It is you who are to be blamed. It is raining. It snows, it hails, it thunders, it seems to me. It is winter, it is fine weather, it is 8 o'clock, it is too early. It is too early, it is easy to find fault, it is easy to show but hard to do. I shall be glad to help every one of the boys in his studies. I shall be glad to help every one of the girls in her studies. But when the sex is not determined from the context, we use the pronouns of the masculine gender. Each must do his best. Everyone likes to have his way. Anyone can do this if he tries.